Hello my 3D printer peeps. I'm here with the Anycubic KOBRA S1 Max. We are going to change the nozzle. Removing and replacing the nozzle is a little different than you might be used to. However, it's quite easy and you'll have no problems. Let's get it over with. The first thing we need is access to the tool head. We will manually lower the print bed by pressing the button right there, pressing move. Before the machine will allow manual movement, you will need to home the tool head. Press the house symbol right there. When the home process has finished, press 50mm, press Z+. Press Z+ again. Press Z+ again. We now need to turn off the stepper motors. To do this, turn the machine off. Reach in, grab the tool head, pull it forward, and pull it center. Now that you have easy access to the tool head, pinch the sides and pull it forward. The tool head cover has no cables and no screws. It's held on by magnets. To remove the hot end, grab the silicone boot and slide it down. This will expose two hugging clips. Move the top one to the right, the bottom one to the left. The heatsink remains on the tool head and opens like a clamshell. To remove the nozzle, you may simply grab it, pull it a little forward, and slide it out. Or you may simply open the heatsink. The nozzle will drop right out. This is what you will remove. This is the nozzle. The heatsink will stay attached to the tool head. To install the nozzle, the flat end goes toward the tool head. Open the heatsink, slip the nozzle into the hole, place it against the tool head, and close the heatsink. Close the left clamp, close the right clamp. The nozzle should feel secure. Replace the silicone boot by slipping it over the nozzle at a slight angle and then pressing towards the tool head. The front and sides should be flat with no bulging, and the nozzle should be poking out. Replace the tool head by simply allowing the magnets to snap into place. That's all there is to it. Swapping out the nozzle on the KOBRA S1 Max is super easy. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.